The Future of China. Written by Introbooks. Narrated by Tracy Tupman. Preface. One must accept that a lot of inconsistencies about China will never sound good in terms of the Western mindset. However, China, whose Communist Party government turns 70 today, treads the path of growth, carrying occasional embarrassment of inconsistency. A similar China that is acclaimed for the infringement of its human rights is the China that has been able to elevate more than 900 million individuals out of destitution, which is evident as per figures of increase of capita GDP from $89 in 1960 to nearly $10,000 today. The China where rural children used to burn waste rubbish to keep warm is a similar China that had a weekly contribution of at least 2 billionaires by the end of 2017, and simultaneously the life expectancy where future improved from 45 years in 1960 to almost 90 years today. Nevertheless, people observe China nowadays that it cannot be disregarded, particularly by big investors, regardless of nationality. Summary. One should perceive how China's economy, as anybody probably knows how it has evolved from its scratchy early decades through to the present state, and on to where it is heading. 1949. Combating the ignominy of inflation. The virtues of ideology tend to contribute to the arrival of significant pathfinders, albeit in coherence with the impact of inflation along these lines in a natural way as well. Chiang Kai-shek's nationalist government had gone to the print machine in funding the much-talked-about 1937 war with Japan, and the 1946 prominent civil war against Mao Zedong's communist loyal. As registered in the information from the Libertarian School of Thought, popularly known as Foundation for Economic Education, 3.8 billion yuan were available for use in 1937. By 1948, 5.12 quadrillion, the following number after a trillion, were available for the citizens of China, and that was notwithstanding after a 3 million to 1 reverse split. All these factors, together with the spread of corruption on a huge national scale, had helped turn the tide in favor of Mao Zedong and his team of committed, hardcore supporters. 1958 to 1962. The Great Leap Forward. Mao was not at all...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?